As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two Charbroil grills, the Grill2Go X200, ASINB00BFPM-LI8, and the Classic 280, ASINB0BNDC8THY. Want to help me compare?
Sure. I see the Grill2Go is portable, right? And the Classic 280 looks more like a standard backyard grill.
Exactly. The Grill2Go is small, about 23.7 x 15 by 13.6 inches, and weighs 20 pounds. Is made for taking places. The Classic 280 is much bigger at 41.9 x 24.1 x 45.6 inches.
Okay, so size is a big difference. What about cooking power?
The Grill2Go has a 9,500 BTU burner and 200 square inches of cooking space. The Classic 280 boasts 20,000 BTUs and 280 square inches, plus an 8,000 BTU side burner. So more cooking power and space with the Classic.
Side burners handy for sauces? The Grill2Go uses that TRU infrared thing, right? Does that make a difference?
Supposedly, it reduces flare-ups and cooks more evenly. The Classic 280 has standard stainless steel inline burners.
Interesting. What about the grates?
Grill2Go has stainless steel grates, while the Classic 280 uses porcelain-coated steel. Porcelain is supposed to be easier to clean and rust-resistant.
Good point. What powers them?
Both are propane, but the Grill2Go uses those small 1-pound tanks, great for portability. The Classic 280 is for a standard 20-pound tank.
Okay, so convenience versus capacity. What about ignition?
Grill2Go has push-button ignition, while the Classic 280 uses piezo ignition. I think both are pretty reliable.
And the price?
They're really close. The Grill2Go is around $147, and the Classic 280 is listed at $148.99.
So, basically, the Grill2Go is for someone who wants a small, portable grill for camping or tailgating. The Classic 280 is a standard-sized grill for home use, with more cooking space and a side burner.
Yeah, I think you nailed it. Thanks for the help. I think I'm leaning toward the Classic 280 for my backyard, and maybe a smaller portable one later. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.